3-minute unboxing video. Also, wait for it. Wait. I'll make another video on it, but I got my replacement Lavenderite today as well. Okay, there's a lot to go over this, so this is a giveaway unboxing. This amazing, which will be hung up next to my altar. I'm already obsessed. Oh, look at that. Okay. I'm gonna try to get through this. There's a lot. Wax melt. Super excited about these. Now, I do believe there is a list, but I like surprises. Oh! I definitely know what this is. I'm super excited for this. Oh my god, look at that! Oh, it is so fucking pretty. Thank you. We got some protection powder. I don't quite know what's in this yet. Oh, yes I do. A yes and no pendulum board. An adorable keychain. Whoops. There we go. That's adorable. And a gorgeous new pendulum. Oh, look at that. Thank you, with the little charm. Thank you. Some bath soaking stuff. We love that. I'm deciding to not show what's in this little brown bag. Thank you. I love this bag. And I have another spoon. Oh, look at that. Gorgeous. Thank you. Ooh, I think crystals. Oh, yes. Thank you. Oh, thank you. Believe it or not, I actually don't have one of these. Thank you. It's an instant holder. I have no idea what this is. Ooh! Cleansing ritual oil. Smell amazing. And spiritual goddess body ritual oil. 2 gorgeous custom oils, I believe. I'll have it in the description of what they are. Actually, those 2 custom oils are oils that I've desperately been needing. Thank you. And I saved the last thing and the biggest thing for last. I have absolutely no idea what this is. No, you did not. Thank you. Seriously, thank you for everything.